At around 12, we received information that there was a vehicle transporting bank from Moyale to Nairobi. Immediately, OCS Kenol and our team, we laid an ambush and managed to intercept the vehicle. It had two occupants, the driver and the lady. The driver aged 29 years, the lady aged 40 years. After doing a thorough search, 3 pails of bank was recovered from the vehicle. It's worth 500,000 shillings. It was headed to Nairobi from Moyale. We want to warn those traffickers. We shall make sure that we have laid spots where we are checking on those vehicles from Moyale, Marsabit, and there are no vehicle that will pass this side carrying such substances. They'll be taken to court and charged accordingly.